Hi, my name is Ryder. I'm partners with Kason, and we did our infographic on Barry Sanders and why he is the greatest of all time. We chose to use a monochromatic color scheme with shades of blue and gray to really grab the reader's attention. Not only did we use this color scheme for that reason, but we also wanted to tie in directly to Barry and the colors of the Detroit Lions team that he played for throughout his career. Yeah, we just wanted to use these colors because it really grabs the reader's attention and makes a lot of our graphics pop out and make it easy to read, of course. So I'm going to pass it on to Kason and let him kind of talk about the layout and why we chose to use a more vertical sense.
Yeah, so moving on to proximity alignment, we did use a vertical alignment, and you can see each section has a lot of white space, makes it easy for the viewer to read through the content, and it looks very logical. And the consistency of using horizontal lines in alignment creates a sense of order, and it makes it really cohesive. And you can notice there's some like invisible grids here, and that just makes it a little easier for the reader to look at it and just kind of skim through and see like what is going on in the actual infographic. It makes it easier to follow. And moving on to fonts too, we just used a modern and sans serif type of font. It just makes it easy for the reader. It gives a clean look. And then we used some bold headings to, if someone doesn't want to read the whole thing and they just want to take a glance and see something that might look interesting to them. And yeah, so in conclusion, we designed this to have a monochromatic scheme. We used some vertical alignment. We used some fonts that all come together and create a visually appealing infographic.
Yeah, and that's our presentation on our infographic of Barry Sanders. Thank you.
Thank you.